Hopefully you'll get a content ID for the music.
It's not that loud. At least in here.
Should it?
Alright.
They do take a while to spin out, especially that one.
The one back there.
That one more than this one. Then they say you stole my videos.
Oh well.
Oh jeez.
At least I don't put crappy music over them like most people do.
Yeah, I just want straight to the point.
Right? I don't care about all that.
Dude, get it over with.
I don't know what these things are, but
I don't know. I think the boxes are in my basement. Some hunter thing. Eric wanted to put 2 Vicks or 2 originals in here.
they're not that powerful, really.
Oh my. This one's going to throw some dust.
Uh-oh. We'll have a repeat of what happened earlier.
Eh.
At least nobody's sitting in that kitchen.
No, but there's shit everywhere. Yeah, it's in the right direction.
There was a fan on your front porch I wanted to ask about. It was some hunter thing. It didn't have any...
It's a motor to a Bayport or something, I don't know. The guy that was driving the ATV with my give it to me.
Does it have the blades or at all?
Nope. I just have the motor and the bracket.
What the heck?
Brackets. Yeah, it'll take it a while.
Yeah. A couple of them in your house took a while too.
Did you?
The ones on the porches took the longest, I think.
My favorite one up's probably the Victoria.
That does look good. I didn't video that one because it wobbles too much and I wanted you to be there. I wanted you to be there just in case something would happen. The Victorian and the Sears are the only 2 I didn't video because I wanted to wait till you were there. Because I didn't want to like barge into your bedroom or something.
I appreciate that.
Long coast down, huh?
Yeah. If you stop the rig before it stops, you'll get screamed at.
I used to stop the blades with my hands.
Did they yell at you?
No, amazingly. Like in my really old videos, I used to stop the fan blades.
I just, you know, it's slowing way down. I just like, you know what, that's enough. Now, oh, you didn't let it spin down.
Yeah, almost done. There we go.